Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Study Bank, and today's video is all about introduction to MS Excel. Students, just move ahead with the content of this video. First one is the basics of MS Excel, benefits of MS Excel and working with Excel. So let's begin with basics of MS Excel. MS Excel actually एक एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर होता है and that is a part of MS Office, and it is used to create, save and analyze numerical data. It means we can calculate anything, we can calculate the data with the help of MS Excel. And MS Excel is a spreadsheet program. It means we can create a spreadsheet in this application software, and we can record the data in the form of table because there are rows and columns are available to enter the data. Now the spreadsheet look like this. This is the sample window or the window or spreadsheet of the Excel. In this window, look at here, there are different type of components which is mentioned by the tags. So first one, at the top there is a title bar. Just below the title bar there is a file menu or menu bar which has different menus like file, home, insert, page layout, etc. And just below the menu bar there are different options available, and these options are related with the selected tab. जैसे यहाँ पे home tab हमने select किया है, so जो होम टैब से रिलेटेड ऑप्शंस होंगे वो हमारे पास यहाँ पे अवेलेबल होंगे. When we select the insert tab, we select the page layout tab, then the related options will be there, and this part is known as ribbon. Ribbon tab जो होता है आपका just below the menu bar. Just below the ribbon there are two parts. First one is the address bar or name box, and the right side part is the formula bar. बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट होता है ये हमारी स्प्रेडशीट का, बिकॉज एड्रेस बार जो होता है उसमें हमारी जो सेल होते हैं उनका एड्रेस स्पेसिफिकली प्रेजेंट रहता है. एंड इन द फॉर्मूला बार वी एंटर और वी चेंज और एडिट द फॉर्मूला विच वी एंटर इनटू द सेल. जस्ट बिलो द फॉर्मूला बार देयर इज अ वर्क स्पेस वेयर वी वर्क इन द स्प्रेडशीट. तो ये जो आपको ब्लॉक्स दिख रहे हैं, दिस इज द वर्क एरिया वेयर वी enter the data. Here are horizontal line and vertical part. So the horizontal part or horizontal combination of line is known as row. So जैसे यहाँ पे आपको शो हो रहा है, this is the row, and the vertical part is known as column, and the intersection of row and column is known as cell. जो एक block बनेगा दोनों के intersection से, that is called the cell. And the active cell means the selected cell is called active cell, जो आपको highlighted होगी आपके spreadsheet के ऊपर. In the lower corner there is a plus sign is available, and this is known as fill handle, through which we can fill the entries by default. At the lower part of the window there are three sheets are available: sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. And if we want to introduce more sheets in the work spreadsheet or spread books, then we can introduce by the plus sign or star sign. At the right side there is a zoom button, plus for zoom in and minus side is for zoom out. This bar is known as the status bar. So this is all about the spreadsheet window. Just move ahead with the हाउ टू ओपन MS Excel. हम कैसे MS Excel के एप्लीकेशन को ओपन कर सकते हैं. फॉलो दीज स्टेप. फॉर दिस जस्ट क्लिक ऑन द स्टार्ट and then click on the all programs button, then select MS Office and finally select the MS Excel. It is done by these steps. Alternatively, you can also click on the start button and you can type MS Excel in the search option available. तो जैसे ही आप जो है स्टार्ट पे क्लिक करके सर्च बार में MS Excel टाइप करेंगे और प्रेस करेंगे एंटर, then directly you can open the MS Excel sheet. Now, why we use MS Excel? What are the benefits of using MS Excel? First one is the easy to store data. You can easily store your data in the form of tables. So rows and columns are available, blocks are available, so you can easily store your data and easy to recover data. अगर आपका कोई data है वो लॉस जाता है तो उसको easily आप recover कर सकते हैं. और सबसे important is एप्लीकेशन ऑफ मैथमेटिकल फार्मूलाज. अगर आप जो है कहीं पर भी कोई मैथमेटिकल या कैलकुलेशन वर्क करना चाहते हैं, कोई फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करना चाहते हैं, यू कैन डू इट. More secure, that is you can apply the password protection to your spreadsheet, so it is very clearly, it is more secure. Last one is the neater and clear visibility of information. It means you can show your data, you can store your data, you can present your data very neatly and clearly visibility के साथ. It means कि जो आपका data है वो आप rows and columns के form में easily present कर सकते हैं, जिससे आपका जो data है वो बहुत ही neat and clean आपको समझा सकते हैं, दिखा सकते हैं और बहुत ही clear दिखता है. तो this is the benefits of the Excel. Now just move ahead how to work with the MS Excel. So students, if you want to start MS Excel, this is the sample window, and here I enter some information about the marks of the students. Here is the roll numbers of 10 students, name and their marks in English, Hindi, Math, Science, SST, Computer. And I calculate the total marks scored by the students. So this is the information about the assessment for marks. So अगर आपको इस टाइप की एक information create करनी है, then how can you do this? This is the very simple entry of data. Just click on the sheet, go to the cell just like this. This is the cell, this is the cell. There are different type of cells. You just enter, click on the cell and just enter the data. Suppose I want to enter roll number, then just type roll number. If I want to in a caps lock, just click on a caps lock, roll number, then go to the next cell, just press the right key or click on the next cell, then type name, then just press the arrow key, and then you can move anywhere. Now fill the entries, roll number 1, then 2, then 3, and then so on. Just to enter the name, just click on the cell and then enter name. Suppose I enter the name Aman, just like this, and now you can enter the marks. Suppose in English he scored 20 marks. Just like this you can enter the data. Now I enter the data in this sheet, and in this sheet I enter the marks of all 6 subjects scored by the students. To calculate the total of the students, you can enter the formula. Here is the formula bar and I enter the formula. Okay, तो आप इस तरीके से अपने डेटा को कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. और एक्सेल का जो एक मेन फंक्शन होता है इट्स टू कैलकुलेट समथिंग. तो दिस इज द डेटा and here we apply the formula. Okay students, in the next video we will learn about the formula, how to enter formula in a cell, how to calculate something, how to calculate the data. Okay, thank you.